room tour. Inner cabin, 3141. Man, it's tight in here. You can barely squeeze through. Of course, the 2 beds put together, little nightstands. Small room, ain't it, baby?
Oh wait, don't check out the refrigerator.
Oh, look.
It opens this way, but open it wide to get it to open this way. It makes perfect sense to me.
Yeah, perfect sense, perfect sense. And what's in this other little...
The safe.
The safe, where you keep
Not
all...
a key card safe. You gotta type it in.
There you go. Little corner TV.
Closet number 1.
Closet number 1.
Standard.
Got a full intimate.
Closet number 2. Standard. Now closet number 3, let me squeeze through here because we don't both fit. Show them closet number 3, baby.
And closet number 3.
This is exceptional.
Ta-da!
The exception is nothing to fit in the damn thing.
Exactly right. I mean, how deep is it? 12 inches? 14 inches? I mean, look at the clothes hangers. They have to turn sideways so the door's shut. That is definitely not good.
Bathroom.
And of course, let's look at this little bitty old bathroom that we got. This must be the blue room. You know, most of this is just your standard Carnival stuff, but you know, little bitty old corner shower.
Definitely had bigger.
You know, this is definitely not a room for bigger people.
It does have a nice bathroom shelves that Ecstasy does not have, or Fantasy.
That is true. I mean, those are nice. So
The
you can put
bigger
your,
ships do have them though.
and you got your makeup mirror. That's pretty good.
What's that up there?
What? This?
Oh.
I don't know what that is, to tell you the truth. Some kind of digital something, I don't know, it don't really say, but you know, anywho, the standard room, but it is very small. But then again, you know,
Big on fun, small on rooms.
that's right, baby, that's right. That's a good one, because I mean, that's true. You know, you got your little drawer there, and drawer here with the hair dryer.
It says 120 volt, that's a plug-in. For probably that European shit.
Another drawer. Another drawer. And another drawer. So, your standard Carnival room, just a wee bit smaller. Cool deal. Anywho.
We could have upgraded to a balcony because the upgrade fairy came to visit, but
Why didn't we, baby?
because we got a room right next to the bar.
All right then. So, well, you know, that's our room. And until next time, we'll be seeing you.